Hi guys, do you know you can make $125, you can make $200 while traveling? You don't need to sit down, you don't need to be at the comfort of your home alone, you don't need to give up your your activities because you want to make content. No, if you have a smartphone, today I'm going to show you how I succeeded in making some good amount of money in the last 7 days. I made some good amount of money, but guess what? Do you know I was not seated at home? Do you know I wasn't well? One, I was traveling. Two, I had a bit of busy schedule. Three, I was sick. But irrespective of that, money continued coming. So if you're out there, you're thinking you don't have time to make some amount of money because every day you hear about you can make money with your smartphone. Today is the right time for you. I'm going to be showing you how I truly made money. It doesn't matter the situation you're in, where you're staying, how you are, but it is about your focus. In this video, I'm going to show you how the 7 days, when I'm talking about 7 days, I'm talking about these 7 days that I was just in transit. I'm talking about on 31st of March to April 6th. These days I was damn busy, but I managed to make some good amount of money. I want you to learn 3 to 4 things on this money, and in particular I'm going to be focusing on YouTube. So if you're a creator, you're a content creator, you're a social media entrepreneur, I want you to reach near. I'm here to tell you, if you are not earning money, please, I don't want any excuse from you. The only thing I want you to do is to say, Tina, I'm going to do it, and focus, because we want the results. 1, you have to have a target. 2, you have to be consistent. 3, you have to have a focus. And 4, there's something you want to run away from. And what are we running away from? We are running away from begging. We are running away from lack. We are running away from our families failing to get what they're supposed to have. We are running away from admiring people having those cozy vacations, but you're just grinded wherever you are, and you have a smartphone. So in the last 7 days, I made some good amount of money on YouTube. And how did I make this amount of money? I made it purely out of content creation. How did I do this content creation, you guys? Surprisingly, what I need you to learn, I was doing faceless videos. I was using voiceovers. I wasn't going to camera. This is what I'm telling you, because when you're traveling, there are a lot of things, a lot of noise, you're not settled, you cannot make some good you cannot put some lipstick, you ignore the way you are. So I need you to learn that you can make videos traveling by doing faceless videos. You can make them using voiceovers. You can make them using animations, like the way you're going to see. And these videos, I made purely an example of what we call passive income. So from 31st of March to April 6th, this is what I did. I made good six videos. This has been the lowest week that we can make 6 videos. Why did I make 6 videos? I remember the 7th one took time to upload. It could not upload. So the whole day, the whole night, because I think the data was so low. That was the reason why I made 6 videos, but always my target is always 7 videos. So I made 6 videos, we made 1 short, and we made 6 posts. This was very encouraging. This money we earned in these 7 days while traveling, not seated at the comfort of our home. It was so amazing that 1.5k people turned into us. And when they turned into us, we did a conversion of around 62 subscribers. When you talk about the subscribers, that is the people that come to watch you. Then when they watch you, they decide, not everybody that is watching you is going to subscribe. This is the lowest week that we have gotten lower conversion, because 62 individuals out of 1.5 cannot be compared like other weeks where we have been getting 200, 300, 400. And this also affected a bit our subscriber target of the month. It was only in March that we did not hit 1,000 subscribers. Every month we've been, since the year began, we always get 1,000 subscribers. But we thank God for these 62 subscribers. We got these people when we are traveling. Then how did people come to find us? This is another lesson. They found us in different ways, in 3 different ways. They found us by YouTube Home. I know all of us will know YouTube Home. If you don't know it, put it in the comment section. We are found by YouTube Search and Up Next. All these ones are one of the best things that every creator desires to have, because there was no invalid traffic. By the way, we would even upload and forget. Ours was to upload. We even couldn't even go back to listen. Always when I upload a video, when it is premiering, I have to first listen to it as it is premiering. 1, to increase the engagement. 2, to make sure that there is somewhere, if there is a need for editing, I go back and edit. But this time these ones were not there because we didn't have that time. Then another way, it was YouTube Search and Up Next. YouTube Search, you know it also. If you don't know this one, please go to the comment section and say, how did we get this money? From which videos that were watched most? Also, this is a clause for us to get lessons. 1, we go, the ones which were watched most out of 6 videos, 3 videos were watched most. 1 is to make $200 per day online by just reading the Bible. 2 is 3 ways to make money with DeepSeek AI bot. And 3 is how to make 120 every week on YouTube. This is so marvelous. These are the videos. And why do you think these ones were watched most? We always go back. This is like a 7-day performance appraisal. We go back and look at it and see exactly what can we do, or what can we do to make sure that others also can be watched most like this. We have to make sure that our thumbnails are eye-catching. They have key searchable words. They're optimized. Our metadata the same. And we go and make sure that at least in the first 5 seconds, we can hook up with your viewer. People did not just watch you guys. I'm very happy for that. They liked, they shared. Shares, this is what we always want, because in those days, if you see someone can share your video, that is so awesome. So kudos to you. And we had 35 comments which were very well. Can you imagine? It made us make some good amount of money, which is above $100. When I'm talking about this one, is compared to another week, this one was a bit low. When you compare the week when we had gone, it was a bit high, with moreover 7 videos, almost the same. But there are some reason why it was like that. I told you about the region. These 7 videos, some of them found us in another region, some of them found us in United Arab Emirates. That's why it came to be like this. However, if you're there already, you're getting $100 per week without doing anything. With like the way you can follow our banks and see how we don't hustle, we don't do too much. Do you think you can be happy? Why not? If you turn it is more than $100. I'm not giving you exact amount. If you turn this into your currency, I'm very sure you will not lack. I'm very sure you will not be on tension for any bill. So what are you waiting for right now? I always tell you, you can make money at the comfort of your home. You can make money when you're traveling. You can make money when you're working, you're sleeping. This is what we call passive income. We've been singing about this. What do you think? Do you think you can join us and we increase? Because every person is a creator. I'm seeing people who say, me, I cannot manage content creation. Every day you put something on your Facebook. Every day you're watching my video. If you're watching my video, you can do something for yourself. Every day I see you put something on WhatsApp status. That same thing you're putting on WhatsApp status that is attracting your attention can be used to give you money. So thank you very much. Think about it. Turn that WhatsApp status you turn that traffic to your YouTube, turn that traffic to your Facebook. God bless you all. You can earn money at the comfort of your home, of your vacation, and even in your bed. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye-bye.